In northern Gaza, Ramadan brings both hope and hardship. Electricity is scarce, and families cook quickly before darkness falls. One evening, sirens filled the sky and fear gripped the hearts of many. A young boy named Yusuf clutched his father's hand, seeking reassurance. The father smiled gently, reminding Yusuf that Ramadan is about courage. As sunset approached, the Adhan began to rise above the sound of war. Neighbors came together, sharing food and water, united in faith. Yusuf learned that fasting is not just about hunger, but about courage and faith.